Today for our science video, I wanted us to do something with sink or float. We do this in our classrooms a lot, so you probably recognize it. I have a whole bunch of toys here and different things, and I want to see if they're going to sink or float. So the first one I'm going to do is this frog. It's kind of light, and it looks like it's made out of plastic and rubber. So what do you think? Is it going to sink or float? I think it's going to float. Let's see. Oh, I was wrong. It sank right down to the bottom. Okay, the next thing I have is a stick. I see sticks floating a lot in water, so I think this one might float too. But my other guess was wrong. Let's see. Ooh, the stick floats. My next one I'm going to do is this seashell. The seashell is kind of light too. And a lot of times things that are really light and not very heavy might float, but sometimes they might sink, so let's see. Ooh, if I put the seashell down so that the open part is on top of the water, it floats. But if I put water in the seashell, it sinks. So I think that's pretty cool. Let's see, the next thing I'm going to do is, how about this glass pebble? Glass is pretty heavy, so I think this is going to sink right away. Yep, it sank. I don't think there's a way to make this one float at all. Now, I think I'm going to do this ball next. If this ball was made out of something really heavy and dense, it would probably sink. But this ball is made out of foam and it's kind of squishy and light, so I think it's going to float. What do you think? Oh, there it goes. It can float. Now this dice, I think, is going to sink. So let's see. Oh, it does. I wasn't so sure about that one. Wasn't as confident about my guess. This is pretty cool. It's a butterfly and it's encased in plastic. A butterfly on its own would probably float, but because there's all this plastic around it, I think it's going to sink. Yep, it sank. You can try this at home with anything that you have in your house, as long as it's waterproof and your parents say it's okay. All right, thank you guys for watching. See you.